guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 4, TTM 1. I'm joined by friend Mapradika Mabanu Pumahopi.
Usalelo Khumalo from Emlazi, a branch.
Yes, any question you have?
Ubuza nje Sipho.
It's
just simple questions. Iyiphi team eyakhosha ama assistant eSouth Africa from 1994?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yenza. Who are those coaches?
So we Cedric Cars. No Ben Khalil Youssef.
Angazi.
Yibo Puto Mdala.
Amato Otoliga.
Yeah, professional translators.
Professional. We field of play.
Yes, Puto Mdala.
Ilokho bengifuna ukubuza Sipho. After nothing much. But iPirates iyasijabulisa.
Yebo.
Abafazi isixabanisa nawo.
Yeah, bayasquadisa.
But it's a happy family. It's a happy team.
Injalo Puto Mdala.
Yeah. Ayikho enye Sipho.
Akukho kunye Puto Mdala. Yeah, ngicela ukukubuza Puto Mdala uke wathatha ipersonal loan ye Nedbank.
No, I want.
Uyazibona iNedbank bathini. But mangathatha ipersonal loan yemali elingana iplayer olthandayo. Mali ngakora lelo play bazothi ungabaphathali imali yakho.
iPirates they are very paid very well.
No, nina. Mawuthi umfuke uzokora next game thathi 30,000.
No.
And then mangakora bazothi ayiba right ngaleyo mali. Yeah.
No, ngisho mina Sipho, let's meet. Soweto on 28. I'm coming Sipho.
Thank you, Puto Mdala.
I'll take all ama digits akho.
Thank you, Puto Mdala.
But yabona squad ebedlala la.
Sure, Puto Mdala.
Akusona squad.
Yini Puto Mdala?
Abazani.
Yeah.
But we managed to conquer and win.
Thank you, Puto Mdala.
It's the spirit of it team.
Thank you, Puto Mdala.
Ngiyabonga.
Asibonga. Yeah.